Hey y'all, it's Bria Simone. Welcome back to my channel. And I want to give a shout out to CurlsCurls for sending me this hair. Thank you so much. And as you can see, I will be dyeing this hair jet black. And I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like out of the bag. Well, not straight out of the bag. I was messing with it a little bit. That's why it looks frizzy. But it does come with 10 clips. And this is what it looks like. And the hair is really soft. Like, it's really soft. Right now I'm just showing you the texture and the curls, and also the bag. It comes with a card that gives you tips on how to take care of the hair as well. This hair texture is 3B 3C, but I will say next time I probably will get the 3C 4A. So I let the clip-in sit for about 20 minutes in a plastic bag, so the dye can sit in the hair. And now I'm just rinsing the dye out. And it's not jet black, it's just black, but it's supposed to be like a really like black color, but they don't name it jet black. I don't know, y'all. But yeah, and then I also use their conditioner that they provide in the box, and I'll also be rinsing that out. And then afterwards, we'll get started with applying the clip-ins throughout our hair. So right now I'm showing you guys the shedding, and I will say I did experience a lot of shedding. I'm showing you some more hair that came out, and the reason why I showed you guys that is because I wasn't doing much with the hair, like I wasn't necessarily raking my hand through the hair, but I was, just gliding it and squeezing the dye out to rinse it out, and I was still getting strands, like strands were coming out from the weft. So I felt like that was important to tell you guys that. I feel like it shouldn't be that much shedding. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't expect that because of how soft the hair is. Like, the hair is really soft, it's easy to comb through. It doesn't get matted at all, so I don't know. But that's just one of the cons, or just one con. That's the only thing that I don't like about it. But everything else about it, I love. I love the hair. This is the hair after I applied leave-in conditioner and left it overnight to dry, and it looks pretty good. So now we're really going to get into it, and I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using. They'll all be in the description box. And now I'm going to section off my hair, and oop, all right. I'm looking crazy. But of course, we're going to start off from the back of our hair and then work our way up. So now I'm going to apply water, then apply the leave-in conditioner, and then of course apply the gel. And once I apply the gel, I'm just going to smooth the gel on into smaller sections. Yes, y'all, I do have heat damage. And if you are not new to my channel, that is nothing new. But yeah, so my roots would blend better with 3C4A, but since the rest of my hair is looser because of the heat damage, it blends better with the 3B3C. But even though I do a quick little close-up of what my roots look like and how it looks like blended with the 3B3C, and it doesn't look bad at all, but it will blend better with 3C4A. But yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick. So right now I'm going to apply the one with 3 clips to the back section, and then I'm also going to apply the same products onto that hair. And every time that I apply a clip, I'm going to slow it down and show you guys which one that I'll be applying on. So I'll show you like the amount of like clips and the length of the clip. Towards the back of my head, I apply the smaller clips, and then I just go up from there and they get bigger. And then once I reach to the front part of my hair, then I apply these smaller ones. So like I said, you'll see throughout the video. So this is what my roots are looking like, and they don't look bad. They, you know, they blended. Okay, so right here you're going to see me double up on the ones with the 5 clips, and I actually end up moving both ends, like the end of them, up a bit, and you'll see once we get to that part. But I doubled up because I thought I wasn't going to have enough room. So I split that section into 2, and then I just moved the one with the 5 clips. I just moved the end part, and then I'm placing it right there. So I ran out of storage when I got towards the front of my hair. So I just applied the last 2 clip-ins that literally only has 2 clips on it. So I applied the 2 smallest clips after I'm done with this section. And I just do the exact same thing that I did on this side to the other side. So this is what it's looking like after I'm done applying all the products. And I'm going to show you guys the back. And so right now I just came back from air drying my hair for about 2 hours, and now we're going to finish drying it with the diffuser by Revlon. And the temperature is on hot, but then I do bring it down to warm because it got a little bit too hot. The setting is on high. And right now I'm just applying it to my roots. So I'm just drying my roots before I go towards the ends. Okay, so I'm back from diffusing my hair. It looks a lot better. I was a little worried because it was looking really thin, and throughout the process I did experience a lot of shedding. Like, this is from when I got done dyeing and conditioning the bundles, and I had to like comb it through and detangle it, and I got another ball of hair. And then as I was styling, even though I didn't really detangle, even just me like running my fingers through the hair slightly, because I was still experiencing a lot of shedding. So that's one con already, is the shedding. Now other than that, the curls came out beautiful. Like, the curls look beautiful. They came out really nice. Oh, that's my hair. Now as far as my hair matching the texture, it's not a bad match. It's close, it's not bad. It's just, I feel like the 3C and the 4A would definitely match more. I wouldn't be looking crazy if I went out, you know, you wouldn't be able to detect it right away, like, oh, that's not her hair. Like, it's still blending. But next time I will definitely get the 3C and 4A. Another thing, I would get a shorter length because I feel like it would look more natural if it was short. Okay, so I know y'all looking at this like, what is going on? I don't know what to do because I have heat damage, so I look crazy. Just like bobby pin it back, and I didn't want to do that because I hate that look. Like, with curly hair, I don't like it. Yeah, overall I really like the hair, and I dyed it jet black, and I conditioned them and all that, and it still came out bomb. I do like the hair. It's just the shedding is the issue. It sheds a lot. I don't know how long the hair will last because of the shedding. Like, if it's going to do that every time like I wash them, then it's like, well, this is the final look. I'm trying to turn around. I feel like it looks really good. It came out better than I thought because I was kind of scared, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, because I was like, oh Lord, this texture look loose. I will be having fun with these though. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to be styling these, so stay tuned for that. I'll be showing you guys different hairstyles that you guys can wear. I'm excited to do like the messy bun look or whatever with these. But yeah, y'all.
2 hours later.
Hey y'all, I'm back. This is like a few hours after. So overall, I'll give this 9 out of 10. I'll give these a 9 out of 10 because they're really soft. They didn't get matted at all. Yeah, like this hair is soft. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all next time.